Hello everybody, so Freewheel sent me a whole bunch of Freewheel ND filters for the Avata 2, and I'll be headed out and I'll be checking out those ND filters. This video is sponsored by Freewheel, but it still doesn't determine the outcome of my review or what I think about the ND filters. Let's do this. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time to my channel, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want to be notified about future videos of mine. So I'll be headed out to test out these beautiful ND filters for the Avata 2. Prior to this, I had a video that I made, which you can find up there. That is either Rocksteady or Gyroflow. So at that time, I thought I would be 1/6000 in the shutter speed. And I actually was wondering why I still had picture, because 1/6000, the picture would have been pretty black. In my settings, unfortunately, in the ISO, my ISO was set to auto. So therefore the ISO compensated for it. And technically seeing that video did not really reflect how good the camera quality is of the Avata 2, because I usually keep the ISO off 100. And then I usually use the shutter speed in a different manner, such as like 1/600, 700, 800. Now, since I kept going up and up and up, the ISO kept going up and up and up too. Now we're gonna set it to manual, and we're gonna actually set it up the right way. And with the ND filters, we're actually gonna try film in 4K 60, and therefore keeping the shutter speed at 1/125 or over 1/120. So depending on what settings we have available in it. And yeah, let's do this. So good thing that I brought my Alta Evo 2 Pro as well, because there's a beautiful research vessel outside of the Bay of Hilo. I'm gonna pull permit through air control, and I'm gonna try and see if maybe we're gonna be able to fly and check out that vessel. It looks really interesting. That was freaking beautiful. I can't wait to get home and check out that footage. But yeah, let's do these ND filters for the Avata 2. All right, so now that we're here, I'm almost at the same type of condition. It's overcast with some sun coming through the clouds, and it's almost the same day of time. So let's do this. ND filters on. Now, if that wasn't some cool stuff, I totally enjoyed myself doing this. The ND filters make a huge difference. Plus, my stupid head didn't put the ISO in auto this time, so we had 100 ISO for true. And we was running the shutter speed in 1/125. I tried to do the horizon steady. I got to do the rock steady in wide and ultra wide. And then now we also have some gyro flow with these ND filters. If you haven't gotten yourself some ND filters for the Avata 2, you're missing out. I'm telling you that big time. I'm waiting for a better day where I can try all of them out. Because this is crazy. It's way better. The image quality is way better. I mean, the other one, it went up to 800 ISO, which is kind of high. So that's why it probably had all the noise in the old footage, as you guys can see here. So yeah, definitely. Please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want to see more videos of mine. Until then, please don't forget, be a nice human, make somebody else smile, and definitely pay it forward. Love you all. Aloha.